Now you're going to use a capture page like this to grab your customer's email address so that you can constantly send them information that they want to receive with your affiliate link in it and how to connect back to your YouTube channel. So it's this constant way of connecting with your perfect customer so that you can then monetize from your YouTube channel and also from affiliate marketing and multiple other ways of income. I'm going to show you how to do that absolutely for free. You're going to use a program called System.io. Now you can find that in the description below. Click on that, create your free account. You're going to see there is multiple ways you can create different landing pages and you correspond it with what your channel is. So we've been talking about gardening or leather making or mechanics or dog walking. I don't care what your channel is. You want to be able to gather your customer's email address and give them some value so that they want to put their email address in. So for example, if you are doing gardening tips or your channel is about gardening, right? You want to create the lead magnet. So you want to figure out how you're going to get people to want to put their email address in your lead magnet. So you would create a PDF, which you can easily do on Canva. And there's a complete training for that in the program that I took, or you can Google how to do Canva, or maybe you already know, but it's a free program that you can use. That's kind of a great program for those who you can make things look very wonderfully graphic without having a graphic training or background. It's a simple, easy program to use. Now, you create a lead magnet, and that lead magnet is a PDF about how to start a garden when you live in the city from a balcony, or these are my top 10 tools that I love to use for gardening. And then in that PDF, you have clickable links to those tools where they can purchase them on Amazon, because that's kind of a double whammy. So you have to think, what would your perfect customer, what would they be wanting from you? Like for me, I teach people how to earn money in the online space. So I offer a free blueprint so you can see how I follow, what I follow each day to earn the money that I've made, right? So that is something that people get free from me with videos explaining, also a free webinar so they can understand the value of how to make money in the online space. And one of them, and we use emails. We gather people's emails so that I can give them information that answers their questions, okay? So it's the same thing. You want to capture people's emails. So System.io is a free platform for up to 2,000 emails, and that's a heck of a lot of emails. By the time you're going to pay your $27 a month, which is nothing, by the way, what you want to do is start creating a capture page. You can see there's so many different ones that you can choose from here at System.io, and you personalize it for you, whatever you feel would be beneficial. Okay, so this is System.io. And you can see here, when you go to website under sales funnel, you want to do a capture email squeeze page. So you can see there are so many different options here. Let's just expand to 30 per page. And you just need to pick an option that suits you. Whatever, you can change the photos, but really the actual page stays somewhat similar. So if we just, you can click on preview the template, you can change this fonts, this, and they put the email address. You can delete these other things or you can add them in. It's kind of like having your own website. Or you can just have a complete capture page or email capture page. So you just go through, scroll till you find the one that you like the best, and then just use it. So that is the joy of System.io. And then you can create email campaigns. You can see here, you can create your new one, and you can create a newsletter. And that's how you can use System.io. You can test multiple ones out. That's the beautiful thing. And I always encourage you, create your own domain and email address so you have something professional. It's not expensive. You can go to GoDaddy and do that. $50 Canadian for the whole year. You can create that on GoDaddy. It's your own personal one. So you've got a business, you're trying to make money, you need to be professional. So getting that up and running and connected to your System.io is perfect. You can also receive payments through System.io. It's a really amazing platform, and the fact that you can do it for free, why not? My employer, we were paying $171 a month for an email platform. We were using MailChimp. So we switched over to System.io and now we paid like 200 and something for the whole year. Huge difference, right? I suggest thinking about what you would create for your lead magnet, how you want, what would fit with your perfect customer, and then create one. If you want to see how my lead magnet works, you can find it in the description below, yes2dailypay.com, and then that will show you how the landing page that I created and how you go in through my email sequencing, and just check it out for yourself. Maybe you even want to take the program, because this program really teaches you everything. My time is valuable. I'd rather learn a program and then implement the strategies because I know they work. I'm not going to try to figure things out on my own. I don't have the time for that. I wanted to see results fast, so I took a program. You can check that out in the description below too, where you can learn all this from a program. But I'm glad you learned it from me, so check out System.io. In the next video, we're going to really learn how you can sell a digital product, a physical product, or a course, and how that would work with your YouTube channel. So check this out. I'll see you in the next video.